So you see everyone living lavish lives making YouTube videos only to start your own channel and figure out you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before YouTube will even consider you joining their partner program. Well, don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to tell you 4 hacks to make money without subscribers or watch hours so you can make money like yesterday. Just to note, there are way more than 4 ways to make money on YouTube without AdSense, but these are my 4 favorite ways I currently diversify my revenue streams without a huge audience, and the first is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a program you can sign up for through a company that offers said program. You then get links that track how often someone makes a purchase while giving you credit for it, which is usually in the form of money. Most companies don't require you to have a huge platform, as it's easy and a cheaper way for them to advertise products, which just makes them money in the long run, so it's a win-win. And so many companies now, such as Target, TubeBuddy, Amazon, and Reward Style, offer this type of program, giving you a small commission on sales recommended by your elite. Even I set up an affiliate program for you to earn 30% commission when you refer people to our Navigating Success roadmap, which helps creators see and understand the analytics you really need to grow on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description box below. Second way to make income without the partner program is through sponsorships. This is when a company pays you to integrate their products into your videos, such as dedicated product reviews, a short company mention in a video, or even a small explanation of you using the product inserted into one of your videos you are already going to make. Now, the amount of money does depend on the size of your audience and how many views you get, but usually a really well set up media kit can help you negotiate a bigger monetary compensation. Just make sure you are staying within your niche. I sadly had to turn down over $5,000 last month because a music software company kept reaching out to me on my mommy channel, but I knew this wouldn't fit well with my target audience of moms not knowing how to use the software. I didn't even know how to use the software, and it just didn't fit with my audience, and it wasn't worth losing my audience trust, even though $5,000 would have been nice. Which brings me to hack number 3, which is freelance work. This works well with those who have a smaller audience but produce really good quality photos and videos. Companies are always looking for freelance workers to create great stock videography or stock photography for their own publications, such as websites or commercials. For them, working with content creators is way cheaper, but it still pays us really nice. I did this last year for a well-known baby company right after I had my son. They needed me to take 10 photos of my newborn with their products and make a 30-second video of me swaddling my baby, and I fell in love with this revenue stream for a few reasons. One, at that time, it paid way more than my sponsorships did because I had a really small audience. And 2, the photos and videos never had to go up on my channel, meaning I had a wider range of companies to work with. So like I wouldn't have to turn down $5,000 just because it didn't fit my niche, because it wasn't ever going to be seen by my niche. So definitely put your best work together in a stock footage portfolio, so this way you can pitch to brands, especially those brands that may turn you down for sponsorship due to your audience size. Okay, and last hack is for all of my entrepreneurs out there, and that is to sell your own merchandise. This is one of the easiest ways, since you don't have to rely on any other companies or people to make deals or write up contracts with, and you can easily insert your own products into your channel, such as wearing the t-shirts throughout your channel so they can see it, it's advertising and you can sell it, or even creating an entire channel around your business, such as a lot of Etsy shop owners do. I highly recommend having multiple streams of income and not waiting until you're monetized like I did. Big mistake. But let me know in the comments below which hack you're going to start using, and for more simple strategies to grow on YouTube, you can check out this video here on the screen. I'll also put it in the pinned comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications. Get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.